Okay, in this video we are going to add a contact form to our website. So if any of our visitors need to contact us for any reason, they can just fill in a form, click the submit button, and we will get an email. This basically prevents you from displaying your email address on your site and basically getting tons of spam, because that's what will happen. It's a lot better to have a form on your website for someone to fill in. Okay, so we're going to go under plugins on the left hand side and click on add new. In the search box we're going to type in contact form and click search. Now the one I've used before, there's plenty of contact forms, but the one I've used before in the past, which is very good, is called Fast Secure Contact Form. So I'm going to click on install now and click OK. Okay, once that's done, you need to click on Activate Plugin. And on the left hand side, underneath the plugins menu, you can see that there's a field that's appeared here, and we can click on that FS Contact Form. Now this plugin is quite in depth, there's a lot of features to it, but in its basic form it's quite simple. At the top here you can see where it says preview form. If we click on that, this is what the basic form looks like. We've got name, email, subject and message. Now this can be customized however you like, but it can get quite technical, so we're going to go back, we're going to use that form. It's quite a simple form, and we don't need to make it any more complicated than that. Okay, so what you will see here is shortcode for this form. So what we need to do is copy this underneath, si-contact-form equals 1. So I'm going to highlight that with my mouse. I'm going to right click and choose copy. Now we need to paste this into our contact form on our site, which we haven't created yet, so we need to do that. So just make sure that's in your clipboard by right clicking and going on copy. And then we want to go to pages and click on add new. So this is going to be a contact page, so we're going to type in contact and the URL should pop up as contact. And in here we want to paste that form code which you just copied a minute ago. So we're going to right click there and go to paste. Now we want to drop this down a few lines because we just want to put some text at the top here. Okay, so we just put in a little bit of introductory text. Please use the form below to contact me. Please allow up to 24 hours for a response. Okay, I'm going to click on publish, and you will see what happens with this form code here. Once I click on view page, you can then see that the form has just put itself into the page. Okay, so when anybody fills this out, enters the captcha code and clicks submit, you will get an email. But you just want to check the settings for the contact form, so we're going to go back underneath plugins, FS Contact Form. Now any changes that you make to this form will be updated automatically on your contact page, because all you've pasted in is that form code. So what we want to do is scroll down. You just want to make sure that your email address is correctly inserted in that email settings field. If it's not, make the changes, click on save changes, and then you should get any emails will be sent directly to you from that form submission. Okay, so that's how you set up a contact form with a WordPress plugin.